there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're going to talk about the Samsung A31 LCD Replacement. Now, if you're an owner of this amazing smartphone, you might have experienced some screen issues, and you're probably wondering if it's worth getting a replacement. Well, let me tell you, it's definitely worth it. The Samsung A31 is a fantastic phone with a beautiful LCD screen. However, sometimes these screens can experience issues like dead pixels, lines, or even a completely black screen. Don't worry though, because a replacement screen can fix all these problems. So if you're facing any screen issues with your Samsung A31, don't hesitate to get a replacement. It's a simple and cost-effective solution that will bring your phone back to its former glory. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, keep your devices running smoothly.